What's happening, everybody? My name is Becky Evans and this is SYNETIQ SOS. We're going to be travelling up and down the country, hearing your stories, checking out your cars and providing the parts to fix them sustainably. We're going to be busy. Let's get on the road. We find ourselves in sunny Southampton to come and meet Sam. Now, Sam works in the luxury sailing world, but his Mark 5 Golf is not looking very luxury right now. We're going to come and find out what has happened to the car in what he says was one of the worst weeks of car ownership. Let's get SYNETIQ SOS on the road and let's go get this Mark 5 saved.
My name's Sam and this is my 2005 Volkswagen GTI Golf. So I've had this car for about 2 years now. I bought it from a dealership in Brighton and it was my dream car when I was looking to buy it. It's something I've always looked at as a car and thought I've always been into Golfs and Volkswagens in general, and the GTI is just synonymous with being a top Golf. So yeah, so it's kind of the group, everyone's got one. It's the little like family you get, sort of driving along the road, you wave to each other, and there's the modding platform, it's so easy to do yourself. So my first car was a 6M2 Polo, and it was quite an upgrade to go to the Mark 5 GTI. The speed was it was immense, the difference to the speed. It was a great sort of car to drive, the Mark 5. It was fast, it was easy to handle, more easy to handle than the 1.4 Polo. So I haven't done any modifications yet, but in the future I'd look to do a few. Lower it probably, put some new alloys on it because they're a bit rubbish at the moment, but and then probably remap the car.
All parts SYNETIQ sell are covered by a minimum 3-month warranty. The length of warranty depends on the type of part you buy. If you get non-mechanical and non-electrical parts, it's 12 months, but if you get tyres or high voltage components or mechanical parts, it's 3 months.
So I was driving back from Brighton one day along the motorway and a cement lorry decided to let go of half its load across my car and scattered it up the bonnet. Later on in the week, I sort of parked outside my house, came out in the morning and realised that someone had then reversed into my door. And then also I was driving to work one day and a grass cutting lawnmower had sprayed stones all up on it as well. It was awful. It literally was the week from hell. You thought, oh, what could happen next? Could the car explode, or you know? It's been quite annoying because it was a decent car when I bought it, and now it's just obviously got paint damage and body damage all over the place. It kind of puts you off sort of driving it around sometimes. It's definitely embarrassing. Yeah, it's normally park it in the furthest point of the car park, so not to be embarrassed by it basically. So it's going to be so great to have it fixed because people won't be looking at it and going, oh, that's a really old car. They'll be like, oh, that's a very nice car. So I heard about it on Becky's YouTube channel. She put a video up about the thing that she was doing. And I thought, oh, I'll give it a chance. I'll see what happens, and here we are. To be fair, it was quite a surprise. I wasn't expecting to be chosen, but it was a great surprise to have. So yeah, I've looked through the website in the past to buy parts for my car. I mean, most places don't probably sell GTI parts. It's quite rare to find a GTI that's sort of with decent parts on it still, so it's good that they've got a good selection on there. And it's great to sort of be able to put your registration in and it'd be able to bring up all the parts for the car. So there was one time that me and my friends drove to Caffeine Machine. It's kind of a meeting place for all of us. We're from loads of different parts of the UK. And we arrived and there was basically one spot on the curve at Caffeine Machine, which rarely happens. So I took the opportunity and parked in that spot. And it made me feel great because I could take pictures around with loads of different cool cars, cars that probably I'd never sort of be able to park next to. And it was a great feeling. Yeah, I'll most definitely be taking my car back to Caffeine Machine and hopefully I'll find another spot on the curve. In the future, I hope to be able to go to car shows and take the car along to different events and show it off to its true beauty. I don't know, I think people love Volkswagen so much because it's sort of like it is like a family. You feel like a family together. If you've got any problems, you put it on a forum and someone will be able to answer that question. They've definitely had that problem in the past. So it's great to have a car that now looks the part. Turn up with a car to clients that are in a high performance world and sort of show off the car.
Well, there you have it, another pride and joy back up to its former glory. This future show car and Sam will be back front of house with his friends at his next car meet. The weather might not be great today, but this Mark 5 is looking sweet. Now, if you find yourself in a predicament like Sam, make sure you check out SYNETIQ's website and their eBay store for thousands of sustainably sourced parts so you can fix your next bad week behind the wheel. Thanks so much for watching SYNETIQ SOS, and I'll see you on the next one.